Namaste. Astarte here. Soul of a Pisces and Leo rising. Astrologically, I'm very in tune with the astrology of all of us. Astrologically, we are more in tune with the stars of today than the charts that were created from thousands of years ago, which most people know about Western astrology. In Western astrology, I'm an Aries, but in the Eastern system and the soul astrology, I'm a Pisces. And so when I'm giving sessions, I'm very tuned in. I'm a channel, I'm an intuitive, I'm a clairvoyant, I'm a clairaudient, and I'm a clairsentient when I'm given permission to channel for you. And in order for me to do hands-on work, it's important that you do your spiritual practice to work on you so that I can support you and meet you where you're at. Anyone that comes to me and doesn't do any spiritual cleansing practice, they're basically coming and I am the sponge and I'm taking it all in, and that's not good for my health. It's not good for my energy. It's not good for my relationships. And so my request is anyone that comes to see me does their spiritual practice. You do your own homework. You go to yoga. You meditate for at least a week. You get acupuncture. You take a martial arts class, a Qigong, Tai Chi, any kind of martial arts. You take baths regularly. You do a prayer practice. If you pray, if you're religious or you're spiritual and you pray, you could do a gratitude practice. You can pray to your God, whatever that looks like for you, your deity, your avatar, and just call that in and pray and just get down on your knees, or put your hands in the air, or just put your hand on your heart. Whatever it is that works for you. You can work with crystals. There's sound healing is also amazing for clearing energy. So if you work with music, if you sing, if you tone, if you have any crystals, crystal bowls, and if you don't, I offer that as well. In sessions, I offer sound healing sessions prior to doing any other work. I offer meditation sessions prior to doing any other work. I offer breath work for clearing and cleansing energy, and also clearing and cleansing emotions and any repressed and blocked energy. So any kind of practice that's going to help you to clear your energy is going to be amazing. It's going to help us to work together perfectly. Once you do that work, then we can do more of the Tantra types of sessions or hands-on sessions. I also do plant medicine therapy and help people in going deep into their heart, their psyche, their energy body, working on their family ancestry. So working on issues within your family dynamics, which could be addictive energy, could be codependency, could be any kind of recovery work. So just wanted to give you a little brief background and understanding on clarity and energy that we are all carrying. We're all carrying energy. We all take on energy from others. And the best way to be responsible is to not put that energy on someone else, but to release it. Release it down into the earth, give it away, let it go, let the earth support you, let the earth help distill and dissolve any energy that you may have taken on from your work, from your relationship, from your life, from a difficult conversation that you didn't land well for you. And anything else that you might be dealing with. So I'm going to teach more about energy clearing practices. That's going to be a bigger part of my work. That is the prerequisite that I do for any other work that I offer. And that is it's key. It's key. And my heart is huge, and my heart is here to be of service. It's here to give. It's here to lift others up and to help others transform and help them to let go of all the stresses that you might be dealing with, all the fears, all the angers, all the insecurities, all the feelings of abandonment or betrayal or rejection, or feeling like you're not good enough, like you're just not good enough in the world, that you need to be better than you already are, and to just understand that you are perfect just as you are. You're a beautiful being of love, of light, of God, of essence, of truth. And we all have imperfections, and sometimes we need a little push, we need a little guidance, we need a little support, or sometimes we just need someone to talk to, or we need someone to help us let go of what we're holding on to, because we just don't know how to let those things go, and maybe we don't know who to talk to about it. Yeah, I'm wishing you an amazing day, and whatever your day looks like, and I'm here for you, and I'll be here, and I look forward to talking to you. Namaste.